Your laptop is your digital lifeline, whether you're working, learning, or creating. But did you know small mistakes can slowly kill your device? Today, I'll show you 12 deep laptop maintenance tips to keep it running smoothly and fast in 2024 and beyond. Let's get into it. Use a microfiber cloth to clean the screen, compressed air for the keyboard and fans. Also, clean up internal junk using tools like Disk Cleanup or CC Cleaner. Don't block ventilation. Place your laptop on a flat surface or use a cooling pad. Too much heat damages internal components. Updates fix security flaws and improve performance. Keep your OS, antivirus, and especially drivers up to date. Disable unnecessary startup apps using Task Manager. A clean startup boosts boot speed and saves RAM. Remove software you don't use. Some new laptops come with trial apps and junk programs that slow things down. Use Windows Defender or tools like Malwarebytes. Viruses secretly slow down your laptop and risk your data. Don't keep it plugged in 24/7. Use battery saver mode when not charging and let the battery drop to around 20% before charging again. Don't fill your local disk. Use external drives or cloud services like Google Drive or OneDrive to store big files and backups. Cluttered desktops slow down performance. Create folders, archive old files, and regularly empty the recycle bin. Use a surge protector or UPS. Sudden power loss or surges can fry your motherboard. Use jeopardize or other disk health tools to monitor hard drive issues before they become disasters. Don't just keep your laptop in sleep mode all the time. A proper shutdown refreshes system memory and performance. Those were 12 deep maintenance tips to make your laptop last longer and perform better. Which tip was new for you? Let me know in the comments. Like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content from Rise Digital Africa.